Here's how to show more than 50 emails at once in Gmail using the 2026 updated method. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. First, open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in. In the top right corner, click the gear icon, then select See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll down until you see Maximum Page Size. By default, Gmail shows 50 emails per page. Click the drop-down and select either 100 emails per page. Scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload automatically. Now you'll see up to 100 emails displayed on a single page, making it much easier to manage, delete, or organize emails. And that's it. You've successfully increased the number of emails shown in Gmail. Subscribe for more quick and simple Gmail tutorials.